Okay, so I've just gotten home from work and I've decided to clean all the mould off my headlights off the R33. I'm not going to use a restoration kit. All I'm going to use is a cut and polish. I usually use Maguire's and everything, but I found these from super cheap. They were like 2 for like 10 bucks, so I'm going to give them a go and see what they're like. So pretty much we're going to have our cut polish and some pads to wipe it on and a microfiber cloth, which mine is a bit dirty, so I might find a clean one. Okay, so I found a clean glass one, which should do perfect. I don't have a job to find, and if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm home. Just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of this fire, was not aware of this nightmare, but when I stopped to see those eyes begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among other. I've got to try it. If I bleed tonight, if I am sick tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm home. There's no way to go, no one that can see. How good does that look? It actually looks clear again. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this episode. Stay tuned for another episode of Killer Customs.